Hey, told me about all your insecurities. What drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what?
Welcome back to my channel. Today is Friday. It was beautiful today, but you know, it's my day off. I just woke up like 2 hours ago, so I'm just getting outside. It's around after 6, so I'm about to enjoy whatever little weather have left. So me and the bestie, we're gonna go downtown. We're gonna go get some food and probably walk to the park after to catch the sunset. It depends on what time it is, but we're gonna get some food first. Literally have like an hour and a half to enjoy, so I'm about to go do that. Sunny, beautiful day outside. Well, do you see the sun peeking? There's cherry blossoms everywhere now.
Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Look at the cherry blossoms. That one's brighter. This one's so pretty. I'm gonna get close. Right in Prospect Park. It's giving spring. And there's another big bunch over here. God, look at that dog. Jesus, the dog's big. So we're in Prospect Park real quick. It's about that time for the sun to go down. So might as well come here first. Cherry blossoms are so pretty. I was gonna go to freaking Central Park. Look at them right here. Look. Red tulips, they're so pretty. Yeah, we're about to leave now and go to something to eat. Cause we're hungry. Yeah, we're hungry. That's so nice. Somebody actually lost their passport and somebody trying to give it back to them. Which one is this? This is Flatbush and what's that? Flatbush and Sterling. So if you was around here around that time, around April 12th or before April 12th, come get your passport.
Party. Hey, high five, broken arm.
Who says that? Who says high five, broken arm? People are different. Yeah, this guy here.
Hey, woman hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches the set. My brother name is $10. Stop on that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, who est mon bec. They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring this.
Yeah, it's up there. I already told her that there's a table out here. It's literally the only one. So. Sitting here. Yeah, so we just ordered our food. Nice little chill spot, nice little cute spot. Yeah, a little chilly out here, not gonna lie. It's good. You all on your sweater. I always see people out here every time I'm on the bus at a dollar van going downtown to the mall. I always see people out here, so I'm guessing it's good. I'll let you know, but I ordered again. I ordered baked. Okay, what else did I order? I'm here trying stuff, so I hope it tastes good.
I ordered shrimp and grits.
Oh yeah, you did order shrimp and grits.
Let's see how.
You get a receipt? So how she? Oh, you should put your name. Hello.
Lemonade?
I was just saying how do you want to order. Thank you.
Lemonade, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then a
The
mango.
mango? Okay, thank you. Ooh. Look at mango. I like that little logo or whatever. My mango lemonade. You don't want me to camera? I cannot with you. This girl old. No.
Chipotle, no.
The reason why we wanted to come out here today too, even though we had a little bit of sunshine or whatever, is because tomorrow is gonna rain. So yeah, I'm like, yeah, we have to do something today, even though it's our day off. I saw something else on the menu that I want to try, so I think I'm gonna come back here too. I want to try the see, they had the loaded fries, but the loaded fries that you want,
Yeah.
they had that.
Next time.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. It's really cute. It's really cute fries.
It's gonna be packed.
But I've been wanting to come to this place. Like, I've been having it written down on my phone for so long. For so long, I had it written down on my phone. I've
This
been
could be like a date.
a date night, a little bit.
Chill date.
That's what I'm saying. Like yeah, like we get to know somebody. Smell some trees. Somebody. That's right here. Thank God it's on the camera. See, she right behind me. She right behind me, smoking. Yeah, I'm alright. I'm smoking something, but she. No, I can't put that on YouTube.
I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That I never exist. Whenever they say something about us, you listen.
This has a little like, I guess a mango and lemonade mixed together. That's kind of a little. Yeah, right here.
Got the bacon cheddar?
Thank you. Yes.
That's okay.
Oh.
Cinnamon grits and the fries. Thank you. You're welcome, enjoy.
Oh, the fries are sweet. We're gonna share the fries.
One of those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me.
Alright, my food is here, and I'm about to. What is that? I don't know what that is. There's some napkins. That's how they make it? I didn't think it was going to look like that.
You can make it different.
This is bacon. What is it? Bacon cheddar waffles.
Excuse me.
At all. Thank you. Yeah, so this is bacon cheddar waffles with chicken, boneless chicken, and I don't know what this is, child. I don't know what that is. How's the thing? I'm gonna see which french fries is better, but these are good.
Yeah.
I like these kind of fries. These are my favorite kind of fries. Crinkly cut one. Yeah, the fries is good. Okay, let me see how these waffles are. There's a lot of waffles though. You like that? Like a shrimp and grits?
I like New Orleans better.
Yeah, because that's where it's from. I can chop it on all of them. I'm not gonna do all of them. Alright, let me taste these waffles. Let's taste these waffles. I bought a mini waffle maker on Amazon and I didn't use it yet. This is good. This is a bacon cheddar. You want to taste it? It's good. This is good. I've always get regular waffles. I never gotten any type of flavored waffle, but this one is good. Bacon cheddar. But I need more syrup. Now that is good, I need more syrup on it. But I was saying that I bought a mini waffle maker from Amazon, and my plan was to use it last week, but I was too tired from work. I was trying to make a nice waffle breakfast. It wasn't happening. It's giving what it's supposed to give. I'll start posting YouTube shorts because This girl that I be watching, she's like, if you're a small YouTuber, make sure you're posting your shorts. But I be forgetting. Like, I be doing so much stuff and I be forgetting to post. To make a little reel to post on my YouTube. Now the bacon or the waffle. They know what they was doing with this. This is good. For some reason, when she said bacon cheddar waffle, I thought the bacon was gonna be inside the waffle. This is good. Let me try the chicken. Boneless chicken. Right, want to taste this?
You done?
Ooh, white meat, baby.
White meat.
Now, can I compare with Chick-fil-A? This is better than Chick-fil-A. So imagine how the sandwiches taste. I'll show you how. See, imagine how the sandwiches taste. This chicken is so well seasoned and girl, this is well seasoned. This is, to me, this tastes better than Chick-fil-A. So next time I come here, I'm getting their sandwich. So that's what I really should have got. I don't know why I got chicken and waffles. But for some reason, I couldn't pass with chicken and waffles. Oh, this is good. This is well seasoned and it's flavorful. This is good. I'll come back for this. So there was a podcast I was listening to yesterday. So when I'm at work, I'll be listening to like I'll be listening to podcasts too, but I'll be listening to like YouTube videos at work. Cause we can't watch it, so I'll be listening to YouTube videos at work, right? This girl, I forgot her name. She was telling her stories about like hanging outside of work with your coworkers or like just building friendships with coworkers. And I was like, child. Don't know how stories for that. She said she don't think it's a good idea and that she don't recommend it and it's not for her. But to a certain extent I agree. For me, I agree and disagree because I've made some good friendships from people that I met at work. But I had to cut off a few of them co-workers, friendships. I had to end some of them co-worker friendships. So yeah, so the story time I was listening to yesterday was the girl that was telling the story. She was friends with another girl, but she said she saw like red flags. She saw red flags and was like, you know, basically saying like she felt like the girl wasn't really her cup of tea, but she was still giving her a chance because she wanted to judge. So I'm like, right, like that's how I am too. Like, you know, we see the little red flags, but it's like, oh, maybe she's having an off day, maybe like, you know, we're trying to give them a benefit of the doubt because you don't want to judge. But then when you saw a scene full throttle, like red, like it needs to come to a stop. It will definitely come to a stop with me. But basically she was saying like she met the girl, I don't know if she said they hung out before, but basically the girl wanted to go to some guy house. Like the girl told her it was a party at the guy's house and the girl went with her. That was like she didn't really want to go because she was dating somebody. She didn't really want to go, but she went for like moral support. And when she went, there was a bunch of guys there, no party. They were smoking the tree for a little bit, and then the girl left her with a bunch of guys to go chill and you know do what with one that she was feeling. And she left the girl there with a bunch of guys, and the guys was like, oh, why you being so like, you know, like chill and relax, like take a drink, blah blah. They were trying to get her to drink so bad, and she started feeling uncomfortable. She started having like anxiety, and she was like, you know what, she's gonna go to her car. And she said the guy was standing at the door like, no, don't leave. And then she was like, I'm feeling uncomfortable, I'm going to leave, I will call the cops, so move. She dead told him, and he was like backing up like okay, and backed up. And she said she ran to her car and locked her doors, and she was texting her friend, calling her friend. She said she was giving her friend time to like, you know, come outside or respond to her or whatever. I think she said she stood there for like 15 minutes in the car before she drove off. She was like, she left her because the girl didn't even check on her since she went upstairs. The girl not responding to her text or call, not calling her back. I would leave too. You left me with a bunch of dudes that I don't know. And you don't know them because she didn't know them either because she's the first time she meeting that boy. She's like, that's when she noticed that was not her friend and she was leaving. And she was like, even though she noticed that, she was still trying to wait to make sure she get home safe or whatever. But my thing is like, that's not your friend. The minute you leave me downstairs with some dudes I don't know, I'm leaving you. I don't care. I don't care what happens to you after that because You don't care what happens to me. Clearly, you leave me with a bunch of dudes that we both don't know. Like, what kind of shit is that? What kind of friend is that? I would have left too. I would not even care what happened to her. I would not call her nothing. She said, because they work in the same job. She said the girl didn't come back to work, and then I guess she missed like 2 shifts. The manager was like, "Oh, come to work or you're fired." The girl came to work. The girl ain't talk to her. The girl ain't do nothing. Like, she ain't acknowledge her, nothing. And I'm like, damn, like, girl, like, you acting like it's always these people. They do shit to you, and then they're acting like they don't fucking look from you. Like, make it make sense. Like, literally, you're the one that basically lied to her for her to accompany you, and then you leave her with a bunch of dudes she don't know. Don't hit her up, don't call her nothing for days. Or was it weeks? I don't remember. It was one of them. And then when you finally come to work, you acting like she did something to you. It's like once people get comfortable, they think they could do and say as they please. And it's like, no, no, we're not there. No. Now I'm trying to be more careful, honestly, before I hang out with people from work. I know me as a friend. So if that's not reciprocated in a way, or like that's just not like people giving weird vibes, or like just being damn weird and fake. But don't let me forget the fake. Like, people are hella fake these days, child. But once I get the weird and fake vibes from you, you're gone. And I'm not even explaining to you. Once I get that from you, you're gone. Like, I don't want to talk about nothing. And I know some people might be like, oh, that's bad, blah, 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 communication, blah, blah, blah. We've communicated enough for you to know, don't do that shit around me. Or to me. So, now when you actually do the bullshit, I don't care for no explanation. And I'm not going to say nothing to you, I'm just going to cut you off. I've had a few bad experiences when it comes to dealing with having coworkers as friends. Yeah, I've had it's been about 4 or 5 now. It's like you'll be friends with them for a good amount of time, and then when other people come around, they act like either they act weird, they give you weird vibes, other people around, or you see their true colors when it comes to like situations like your birthdays or whatever. Yeah, it's been a few situations, and like I said, I have story times, and I will be telling those. And I don't care who's watching it, and I don't care who's in their feelings. I don't care about none of that, because I'm not friends with none of y'all no more. So therefore, I don't give a fuck about y'all's feelings. Period, point blank. If I'm talking about it now, like, it doesn't bother me anymore. It doesn't, like, you know, I don't have no ill feelings towards nobody. I don't care about their life. They're not on my social media. I don't care about none of that. I'm just telling my experience and my story because it's mine to tell. And if they want to tell, they can tell it too. I don't care. Tell their side or whatever. I don't care. I don't know. I'm going to tell mine on my channel. So, yeah. But, yeah, I don't regret anything. I don't regret meeting anybody. I don't regret anything because people have their seasons in your life, and that's just what it is. Your season is up, and that's it. Your season is up in my life, my season is up in your life, and that's just what it is. Move on. I don't know how to let people go. That's something I mastered. See, you know. That's something I mastered. I'm quick to cut people off. I don't care. People be on bullshit. I don't got time for effort. I'm the type of person, if I know the type of friend that I am, and that I've been to you, and something go down where we're not friends anymore, trust and believe. I ain't losing no sleep over you. And that's the thing, people would think you're holding really because you don't talk to them. Like, once I make peace with something, once I make peace with the situation, I don't need to speak to you. I don't need to speak to you. We don't need to be friends. We don't need to be anything on social media. We just don't need to be nothing. Like, you're on my life, I'm on your life, and that's it. I don't know. People just weird. People be thinking that you're mad at them if you don't talk to them. No. It never argue that. It never argue that. Mad at who for what? I was definitely probably mad in the moment, but years later, mad for what? Mad for what? Years later, you're not crazy? I will always give people a chance to show me themselves. I will never go for what nobody's telling me about somebody. I want to see for myself. That's how I am. And once I see it, I'm gone though. That's the difference. I'm gone. But I ain't quit my job for you. Ain't nobody come at me quit my job. I don't care if we stop talking. I don't care if we stop being friends. I don't care about none of that. Because you ain't missing on my money. I'll tell you that. It goes bad, it goes bad. As long as I know I did my part and my intentions is always good, my intentions is forever good. I don't want situations having weird motives and like just weird motives. I don't do that. And people be out here going into situations and friendships with weird ass motives. They would not like you, like envy you, be jealous of you, and dead want to be close to you. People are weird. The situation that happened though, it was really effed up. So I agree with her, like she felt that way. But I would never not mess with somebody, not be cool with somebody, or be friends with somebody because what I experienced before them. You know, everybody's not the same, and you won't know until you're in that. You know, you're experiencing it. You won't know how that person is. You can't. Oh, I'm not gonna get close with them because I've been close with this person, and this shit hasn't worked out. This person is not them, so I'm not about. I would never do that. I wouldn't say I wouldn't recommend that because you're at work, say 10 to 12 hours out your day, and probably longer. Because sometimes we be at work longer with these people, so it's hard not to click with people and be friends with them or whatever. But it's like, I guess the problem comes when you start taking that outside of the workplace and you start seeing people true colors and stuff. But that girl is good to wait for her because I wasn't waiting. I'm leaving you. Crazy how even adulthood and adult life, friendships is just so hard to maintain. I guess a part of like it's adulthood. Everybody got their own shit going on. Everybody working, school, not working, everybody got their shit going on. So I get that part. But it's like when it comes to actually having a relationship with your friends and y'all hanging out and stuff, and then you do shit like that, you can't expect a friendship to continue. You'd be real delusional to think that friendship will continue. So yeah, that's my little rant, my little chit chat. So that's felt like that video was really interesting. I'm just like, yo, I can relate to this. But yeah, comment down below if you guys ever been in situations like that where you met a friend, like you became friends with people at work and it went bad. Anybody watching this video, if you had bad experience with friendships, I'm gonna continue this conversation in another vlog, but with like some friends, because I'm gonna do a friendship video about friends and friendships with my actual friends. I don't know when though. I have to get that together because, like I said, everybody got their own shit going on. So, but I know the spot I want to do the video at. Like it's a cute little spot I want to do the video at. So let's just get my friends in order for that video. Excuse me. Do you have like a to-go?
Yeah, sure, I got you.
Okay, thank you. I have to come back here and get me a nice little drinky drink. I ate 2 waffles and one piece of chicken, and I was full. And this juice is really sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you bums, you can't even pay me enough to react. Been waking